How you liking your new home? I think Pidgebert likes you being here. I think Pidgebert likes you being here. I think he does. You want to come out, don't you? You need to get used to the place first. I know, but you need to get used to the place first. You're so cute. You want scritches? You want scritches? Oh, your baby. Oh, your baby. Oh, is that a cute birdie? I know you want to come out and fly, don't you? I know. We'll get there, just not right now. Not right now. I'm going to get you used to the place first. Pretty girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? And her slept in her nest last night, so you didn't have to sleep on a perch. Yeah. Or in a wire cage bottom. Yeah, you had a good night's sleep, didn't you? You did. You did. You were still sleeping this morning when I woke up. You had a long day yesterday. Pidgebert's kind of like, I don't know what's going on yet. I don't know yet. Hi, Pidge. You're still my pretty bird. You are. Just because we have a new one doesn't mean you're not mine. You're still my boy. Right? Right? You guys will be good friends, I'm sure. I'm sure. At least keep each other company. You were just full of kisses. You were just full of kisses. You preening me? You preening me? You're such a doll baby. Adorable little birdie. Adorable little birdie. You want to go sit in your nest now? Just say nope. Nope. Too curious. There's too much going on. Too much going on. Right, Pidgebert? Ooh. Hi, my boy. Hi, pretty boy. You're behind 2 sets of bars now. You're behind 2 sets of bars now. You are. Oh no, I got a bird on me. Oh no. The birdie. You're back up there. Cutie patootie. You gonna sing to me? Can you sing? Hi. You're too cute. Alright, you preen a lot. You do. You are a clean birdie, aren't you? Pretty girl. That's why you're so pretty. That and you've lived on a really high-fat diet for a long time. Safflower seeds only, huh? Yeah, we got to change that a little bit. But lucky for you, you're open to it, huh? You ate a whole bowl of mixed seeds yesterday. Yeah. Only just a wee little bit left. You were starving. Starving, Marvin. You had a long day, that's why. Alright. That's enough of watching you preen.